Next question, as far as the actual estimates themselves, how are those set up? So on every estimate that I do for every customer, I do not blanket cost the estimates. So if I'm going in and I'm doing a bathroom estimate for a customer and it's a master bathroom, a lot of contractors, what you'll get from them is you'll get one page that may have a bunch of things listed out, but typically the costs of each item are not broken down. So I'll give you an example. I try to line item shower tile materials versus shower tile labor versus mortar bed labor, and then all the way down the line. And I do that for everything. Whereas a lot of contractors, they'll just give you, hey, it's gonna cost you $25,000 to redo your master bathroom, and here's what that looks like. And that may or may not include the materials on there. And then one of the issues that I've run into before is that I'll have other contractors outbid me on a project, and then the customer sends me the estimate so that I can look at it, and it's usually never apples to apples because I try to include everything on there. So I'll line item everything, just like I was talking about earlier. When it comes to the shower diverter, when we're reconstructing a shower, I try to include the diverter that's in the wall, plus the trim kit that you're gonna see, plus the installation of all of that, and that's all gonna be a line item on the estimate. So you see what you're paying for, and then also what I'll do when it comes to things like tile costs, right? If we are doing a master bathroom, say we need 100 square feet of tile, then what I'll do is I'll give you a line item estimate on the average cost per square foot for, say, a floor tile or a shower tile, depending on the project. So what I mean by that is if we're doing a master bathroom floor, an average cost per square foot on tile, just tile, not thin set and grout and all of that, but on tile material would be somewhere around $3 a square foot. So I'll actually bid out the estimate based off of that $3 a square foot and how much we need for your bathroom. That way, when you get the estimate, you know, okay, if I choose to go with Project Junkeez for my bathroom, they've already included all of the materials that I'm gonna need. So we've already got in there the tile materials based off of that $3 a square foot. We've already got the grout, we've already got the thin set, and then we've already got installation. And so you don't get to that part of the project and I say, okay, well, based off of your tile selection, you can add $2,500 to the estimate. That's not how that works. Now, I will say, sometimes I have customers come back and they say, well, hey, I found a floor tile that's $1.50 a square foot that I want to use as opposed to what you have at $3 on the estimate. And all I have to say is, that's great. That's not a problem. You're saving yourself money. So what I will do is I'll end up adjusting the estimate for your $1.50 a square foot cost as opposed to the $3 that I put on there that's an average, right? Because I'm just taking the average cost from all of the jobs that I do and saying, okay, this is typically what a customer is going to spend on tile. Now you can go above that or you can go below that. Obviously, you go below that, you save money. If you go above that, I have to add cost to the estimate because the cost of materials goes up. But it's pretty straightforward, and I do try to line item absolutely everything on the estimate. That way you don't go into the estimate blind and you know what it's gonna cost you.